Welcome to the Tennessee Club Car, built in 1926. Our lounge car, the Tennessee Club, was one of 3 used by the Louisville and Nashville Railroad on their Pan American line. George Mortimer Pullman built the first dining car in 1868. Pullman also developed a railroad sleeping car, the Pullman Sleeper or the Palace Car. The first one was finished in 1864. This club car comes complete with tavern lounge, kitchenette, dining gallery, restroom, and crew sleeping quarters. Traveling on a train was a treat. Passengers got to see the beautiful countryside and enjoy a cold beverage and a snack to pass the time. In the Tennessee Club Car, this car housed the kitchenette and the dining galley. Guests could purchase food and drinks while riding on the train. The kitchenette included a complete bar, refrigerator, sink with running water. Food was served on china, dinnerware, and beverages were served in glassware. The dining galley included 6 tables that could hold up to 24 travelers. Guests purchased food and drinks while sitting back and enjoying the ride to their destination. The menu included alcohol beverages, cold drinks, and snacks. Guests would request the waiter to their table for an order. Each booth had a button located on the ledge by the window. Guests would order off the menu. Waiter would return to the kitchenette, pick up the items, and return to the guest. It was just like dining in a restaurant. Down the hall from the dining galley, a restroom was available to passengers to wash up and use the toilet. There was no plumbing on this club car. Waste from the toilet would go directly onto the tracks. Here is the conductor visiting the quarters of the crew, 1 waiter and 1 barman. The conductor would have slept elsewhere on the train. The conductor was the captain of the train. Not only did he collect passenger tickets, but he supervised the train crew and looked out for the safety of everyone on board. The uniform was worn by Walter N. Rucker, who was a conductor for the L&N Railroad from the mid-1940s through 1975. During his career with the L&N, Rucker was a baggage man, brakeman, flagman, and conductor. The hat that was worn let everyone know he was the ranking figure of authority aboard the train.